Hey guys, welcome to Car City Inc. Just want to present you new arrival at our dealership. Beautiful 2013 Toyota Tundra double cab with a 5.7 liter engine, V8, four-wheel drive, TRD. Beautiful looking pickup truck in a great shape. Body looks very nice and clean. It's got clean Carfax report, no accidents, very well kept and maintained. Let me open the bed for you. Nice and clean all around, in a great shape. Tow package, 4x4, alloy wheels, nice tires, running boards. It runs and drives great. It's been detailed and inspected. There is a front row ready unit, super nice and clean. Fog lamps, well kept, well maintained. It's been through our shop. Fresh oil in it, past safety inspections. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Cloth interior in a great shape, nice and clean. Non-smoking, no odors inside. 123,000 miles on the dash. Nice and clean dashboard with no issues, no problems. It's got aftermarket radio with the touch screen, rear view camera, Bluetooth, four-wheel drive. AC blows cold, heat works. Non-smoking, as I said, no odors inside, clean headliner. And here's back seats, lots of space inside. Beautiful unit. Toyota, super nice and reliable trucks as usual. Nice and clean bed cover. Let me open the hood so we can take a peek under the hood. Nice Toyota running boards, alloy wheels, still nice tires. Yeah, let me open the hood. It's got 5.7 liter engine under the hood, four-wheel drive, clean Carfax, no accidents, very well kept, well maintained. Beautiful 2013 Toyota Tundra double cab. So if you guys have any questions or would like to schedule time to test drive this beautiful Tundra, please give us a call, 847-496-4250. Check our website, carcitychicago.com, for more information, pictures, video, and a free Carfax report. Please stop by and visit our store. We're located at 2232 North Rand Road in Palatine, Illinois, and we are Car City Inc. I just want to remind you guys that we're importing some cars from Japan as well. So if you are interested in these beautiful low mileage cars, please check our website, carcitychicago.com. We have more cars coming, as I said, from Japan, right-hand drive, diesels, gasolines, Toyotas, Nissans, Mitsubishis, Mercedes G-Class. So a lot of vehicles gonna be new coming from Japan. So please keep us in mind for your next purchase. Again, our website is carcitychicago.com. Right now we have few Toyotas under 10,000 with super low miles, about 40,000 miles, under 10 grand. So keep us in mind, check our website from time to time. We are Car City Inc. out of Palatine. Our phone number is 847-496-4250, and our website is carcitychicago.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys have a beautiful day.